Starting a talent acquisition consulting business is crucial today as companies grapple with finding and retaining top talent. This field not only helps firms streamline their hiring process, but also ensures they attract the best candidates. Books like Talent Acquisition, A Guide to Finding and Retaining Top Talent by RTKMK, Ready provide a treasure trove of strategies and tools. These resources are invaluable for understanding the depths of effective recruitment. Diving deeper, podcasts such as the Talent Acquisition Podcast expand on these themes, discussing innovative recruitment strategies and talent management with industry experts. Listening to these can give you fresh perspectives on the challenges and solutions in talent acquisition. Moreover, YouTube channels like Talent Acquisition TV offer visual insights and step-by-step guides on recruitment strategies. These videos make complex concepts accessible and applicable for your business. AI tools are revolutionizing how we approach talent acquisition. Platforms like IBM Watson provide AI-powered tools that enhance candidate sourcing and assessment, making the recruitment process more efficient and targeted. If you're looking to build or improve your skills, online courses such as Talent Acquisition by Coursera cover everything from basic concepts to advanced strategies in talent recruitment and management. Combining these educational resources with practical tools can significantly elevate your consulting practice. Implementing AI tools from platforms like Google Cloud AI can help automate and refine the recruitment process. Every tool and resource mentioned is designed to empower your talent acquisition consulting business. By continuously learning and adapting, you can help businesses thrive in their quest to find and retain the best talent.